Yo, what's going on, guys? Happy Thursday. How's everybody doing? Closing some deals today? I hope so. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to comp. A few days ago, I did a comping video, but I didn't have the screen recording, so it wasn't exactly ideal. So I figured I'd get back on here and just show you guys again how to comp correctly, okay? And screen record it so it's a lot easier to see and everything. So I was looking at a random property here, but let's go and let's type in Tampa, Florida. Go back to Tampa. And let's just zoom in literally on a random property here. Let's go. This one looks good. What do you guys think? Oh, this one was flipped. Never mind. What about this one? This one was also flipped, of course, right? Okay, let's zoom out here. Let's go right here. See what's over here. Oh, this looks super pricey. Guys, sorry, hold on. I don't know Tampa like the back of my hand. Okay, let's just go in here. This one looks good. 220. It's a 1-1, of course it is. 3-2. Okay, let's count this one. Why not? Okay. So first thing before you do anything is you're going to click this. You're going to do Control C, Control T, Control V, Enter. So all I did was copy the address or copy the link and paste it into a new tab. That's just like the quick way to do it. So you're gonna keep, my computer's lagging, guys. So you're gonna keep this property open, and then you're gonna click out of it. And you're gonna go sold. Oh my gosh, why is it lagging so much? Why is it lagging so much? Okay, and then click 4 times on the plus right here. So if you saw that, I clicked out of the property on the left-hand side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go to like kind of the middle. And so what you're looking for here is you're looking for a 3-bed, 2-bath, relatively the same square footage, not 2-story because this one's 1-story, kind of the same curb appeal. So this one's kind of funky, but it is what it is. Built 1978, so you're looking for around the same year build. So you're looking for a 3-bed, 2-bath. Let's look. Here's one literally right here. So this one was flipped. Kind of like what we were talking about the other day. If you scroll down to the description, you can see with replaced roof, renovated. So this one was flipped. So this is a good comp. So I can tell you right now that this property is overpriced. Decently overpriced. 415, they haven't updated anything. A house like this, your seller is going to be emotionally attached to it. So you're looking at it's going to be more difficult to get them to your number. But I mean, if we look here, this is a good comp. So 395, and that would be your ARV after repair value. So you've got 5-bed, 4-bath selling for 400 and a 4-bed, 3-bath selling for 420. So this house is significantly overpriced. I would say your ARV on this house is pretty much what it's listed at, maybe even a little bit lower. And this is not going to sell. I mean, I'd be shocked if this sold for 415. Shocked. Maybe you can come back to this video in a while and see if it was sold for 415, but I don't think this would sell for 415 personally. I think your ARV is closer to like 395. I mean, you have 2-story houses selling for 377. Yeah, I think you're closer to like 395. So 415, obviously this person's emotionally attached to this property, so they're going to price it higher. Um, and yeah, I just really do not think this thing's going to sell for 415. It's not even fully updated. It is kind of like a unicorn property, so these are always harder to comp, but 415's overpriced. Um, I would say your ARV is 395. So how do you get to your MAO? So if we go to a calculator, this is the quick way to do it. In my other comping video, I posted the calculator, so you guys can go back and look at that. The quick way to do it would be 395, if that's your ARV, which it seems like it is, times 0.75 minus the repairs and your wholesale fee. So if we look over here and look at the pictures, looks like it needs about 30 to 35K in repairs. So if we go back to calculator here, if you're doing 35K in repairs and you want to make 15K, that would be 50K. So subtract 50K. That's 246, 250. So if you wanted to make 15K on this property, you would have to offer 246, 250. Which obviously that shows this property is super overpriced. For a retail buyer that really likes this kind of design and wants this unicorn house, they might pay a premium. But as an investor, you can't be looking at unicorn houses and saying, "Oh, I'm going to pay more because it's a unicorn house." You have to be conservative on your numbers and really look at the actual data, which the data is showing that the ARV is like 395. So yeah, that's how you comp quickly. You can do this for any property. I mean, I just use Zillow. It's super simple, super easy. And like and subscribe if you guys got any value from this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.